William J. Morgan. William J. Morgan on 1870 until 1942 was an American physical education director who invented volleyball in 1895 in Holyoke, Massachusetts. Originally named Mentonet, he created the sports as a less physically demanding alternative to basketball for YMCA members. Volleyball was originally called Mentonet when it was invented in 1895 by William J. Morgan, a physical education director at the YMCA in Holyoke, Massachusetts. He created it as a less strenuous alternative to basketball for older YMCA members, blending elements of basketball, baseball, tennis, and handball. Volleyball was introduced to the Philippines in 1910 by Elwood S. Brown, who served as the physical director of the Young Men's Christian Association in Manila. FIVB and PVF. The FIVB, which is Federation International de Volleyball, is the global governing body for the sports, while the PVF, which is Philippine Volleyball Federations, was the long-time national body in the Philippines before being replaced due to leadership disputes.